I did my IIT JEE preparation from FITZE Bhopal, and I'm doing a giveaway of some of my notes and selling some of the other material for IIT JEE preparation, both JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. This is my chemistry notes, and in this everything is written very clearly, and it is very easily understandable even if you are not studying from any coaching. And these are my physical chemistry notes, so again, like, everything is written very clearly. I have complete notes of chemistry of both 11th and 12th class. Some short tricks and very important points to remember are also mentioned in the notes, so it becomes very important. And also for coordination geometry, it has a lot of tricks. And talking about the physical chemistry, I have very proper detailed notes. This chapter is for equilibrium, and this whole notebook was for equilibrium. I am also providing some of the FITZE material, which includes the Grandmaster packages, which is for JEE Advanced, and normal packages for each chapter, and also the review booklets for JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. It includes both giving away and selling of the material, and if you want to get it, you need to message me on Telegram if you want to get these notes, and also provide your home address so that I can parcel it to you. So I will be sending it in a physical copy, or if you want it in PDF, I can also provide that. But then PDF is very difficult for such long notes, so I will be sending the physical copies. And I'm doing a giveaway of this permutation and combination notes, which is for maths. I also have the Singate series of both maths and physics, and the condition of the books are very good. Like, it isn't used that much. It also comes with the DPPs and daily practice problems. So as you can see, the books, they are in good condition, and I actually haven't used it that much. But yeah, it is very good if you are doing self-study for IIT JEE, and because it explains each and every part of the question, and it also has various types of question, and solved examples are also there to make your concepts very clear. I also have these DPPs for each chapter provided by Amit M. Agrawal in maths. And these are very great if you are a self-study student. It has a lot of problems. Then I have this Solomon's book, which I bought it as a reference book for chemistry. So if you are interested in knowing concepts deeply about chemistry, you can also buy this one. Message me now if you want to get any of these.